Hi, welcome to Erin. My name is Kiril and I'm one of the service advisors here. Today we're going to look at how to apply the touch-up paint onto your vehicle. So firstly, we're going to apply the color. So what we'll do is we'll take the cap off where it says color, we'll put it on to the portion that needs to be applied and dab it several times until the paint starts to come out through here. And then once you see the paint come out, you just tap it lightly and it'll cover the hole. Let it dry for 15 minutes and then you flip it over to the other side, take off where it says clear, and then dab it out a few times until you see the clear coming out, dab it a little bit, and let dry. So now that we saw how to apply the paint pen, there's a few important aspects that you're going to want to see when looking at the paint pen. So first off, there's two little arrows. One says color, one says clear. You want to apply the color first and then the clear. When you come in to get the paint pen, you want to make sure to have your VIN number handy to make sure that we're able to identify the correct paint to match the car. As well, with these paint pens, you don't want to leave them in the car because the drastic changes in weather and temperature can cause the pen to dry out and it'll go bad. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.